Instagram is a social media application that allows you to network, maintain relationships, and build on your professional life. Here, I'm just going to go through the basics of the application. First, we have the homepage. This is where content from all the accounts you follow will be displayed. You can access this page by clicking at the camera in the top left corner of the screen. Here you can scroll through, like pictures, by double tapping the image, or simply pressing the heart. Leave a comment, share to other applications, or even save the post for later. Next, we have the Explore button. This brings you to a page of accounts suggested for you based on what you follow and like. It also provides categories to browse. Here you can find accounts with your similar interests to network and get ideas from other accounts to use in your own career or personal life. Feel free to browse through these pages and follow accounts to build a network. Next, the Heart tab. This is just your notifications. Here you will see who has liked or left comments on your own post, or even who has followed you with the option to follow them back. Last is your personal profile button. This just brings you to your own page where you can access your own posts, view what people have tagged you in, and look back on posts you have saved from other accounts. Overall, Instagram is a simple application that can have a large impact on one's career. Unfortunately, on the Instagram webpage, you cannot upload images or videos to your account. That can only be done on the mobile application. However, here you can manage your settings by clicking this button and also edit your profile. On the webpage, you can also access Help, which has the answers to all your questions, such as how to post a photo. This page will give you step-by-step instructions on how to complete your desired task to keep the application stress-free and easy to use. This page can be found all the way at the bottom of the screen under Help. Although you cannot upload photos directly to your account from here, you can change your profile picture by right-clicking the image, selecting Upload Photo and your computer files will open. There you can choose an image to upload.